You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this word, meaning a kiss in French? There are different ways of saying a kiss in French, but that's a sort of familiar way, and probably one of the most common as well. Bisou is how it's said. Bisou. So because you only have one S between two vowels, it's pronounced like a Z, okay? So that's why it's not bisou, but bisou. O-U together form the sound OU. Bisou is how you say kiss in French. You could say it in English as bisou. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.